Hi, second graders. Welcome back to reading. All week long, you guys have been doing a book study. So you've picked one book and you decided to study it the whole week long. And as you were studying the books, you thought of different things. You thought about who the characters were. You thought about what the setting was. You thought about what the plot was, right? You told me a summary of what happened in the book. So you told me the plot. Today, you guys are going to decide, is this a book that you would recommend? A book that you think other people should read? Or do you think it's not a book that people should read? You do not like it, you didn't think it was that interesting, so you would not recommend it for other people to read. So pick one. Do you think your book, yes, you should recommend it, or no, you should not? And what you're going to do is in your letter to your teacher, you're going to tell your teacher whether you think it's a book to recommend or not, and then tell at least 2 reasons why. So really, you're telling your teacher your opinion about the book you chose, okay? And I want to show you guys the instructions for today and just give you an example of what it can look like. So I'm glad you're watching this video. And yes, you're going to want to go to Epic. It says to look at your book you've been studying all week. So you're going to go to Epic, look at the book. I picked No Pirates Allowed. So I'm going to go back and look at that book. I'm going to want to read it or just, look through it. But you're looking at your book and you're deciding, would you recommend it or would you not? If you look here, I wrote my letter. So it starts off with Dear Mrs. Davis, comma. Make sure you have that dear and then your teacher's name. There should be a comma after you're done. Look, I have a space and then I start underneath. I don't start writing right here. When you write a letter, you need to make sure you go down and write underneath. Then I said, I read the book, No Pirates Allowed. You need to put, what book did you read? Write the title of the book you read. Then I told my opinion. I said, I think everyone should read it. Okay, so that's my opinion, that everyone should read it. Some people might say, I think no one should read it, or I would not recommend this book. Whatever it is, you're going to tell me your opinion. Would you recommend it, or would you not recommend it? This is where you say. Now I have to say my 2 reasons, right? So I said one reason is because the pictures are very detailed and beautiful. If you look at my book, look at those pictures. Very detailed, very beautiful. And so that's one of the reasons why I think people should read it. So you have to look at your book. If you said, yes, people should read my book, you need to say why. What about your book makes it so great? Is it the pictures? Is it because there's funny parts and maybe you can tell us about a funny part? Is it because one of the characters is whatever it is? Tell me why you like the book, okay? And then I said my second reason, I said, another reason is because it is funny when the pirate keeps saying arg. Because in my book, if you look, the pirate keeps saying arg. See, arg. And he talks kind of funny like a pirate. He keeps doing it over and over again. And you know what? Now that I'm seeing, he does say arg a lot, but I might say he talks like a pirate. I think that might be better. So I could change it to say, another reason is because it's funny when the pirate talks like a pirate and says things like arg. And then you end by telling your opinion again. So I restated my opinion saying, no Pirates Allowed is a must read. So basically I'm saying everyone should read it, right? Okay, and then I end by saying from Daniela. I'm the teacher, or I'm the person who wrote the letter. So notice there's a space, from, and then my name. I do see I have a few little mistakes, so I'm going to edit real quick so you guys can see. And I'm going to make sure that when I have it, I put from spelled the right way. See how I have a space in between here? And then I go from, and then underneath goes my name. My name does not go next to the word from. I don't say from Daniela. No, I go underneath, right here. So it should be formatted like this. Dear Mrs. Davis, comma, Space. I read the book. What did you read? Tell me your opinion. I recommend. I don't recommend. Give me 2 reasons why. And then you state your opinion again. Should people read it? Should people not read it? And tell me from, space, your name. Okay? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I cannot wait to see, did you guys end up liking your books? Did you not like your books? And I want to know why. Why did you do that? So I'm excited to read what you guys have to say and see which books are the most liked and which ones are not. All right, guys, have fun, and I'll see you guys next week.